In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Draft with Copilot to streamline your writing process. If you want to write faster, improve clarity, or quickly rework a paragraph without starting from scratch, Draft with Copilot can be a very helpful tool. The great thing about it is that it works directly with the text you already have. So instead of replacing your workflow, it supports it. Let's walk through how to use it in a simple and practical way. Start by opening your document and highlighting the text you want to rewrite or expand. This is important because Copilot needs to know exactly which section you want it to work on. You can select a sentence, a paragraph, or even a larger section depending on what kind of changes you need. If you only want to adjust one idea, keep your selection focused so the results stay relevant. Once your text is selected, click the Copilot icon that appears next to it. This opens the tool so you can give it instructions. The icon usually appears close to your highlighted text, making it easy to continue without breaking your flow. Next, type your prompt into the box and tell Copilot what you want it to do. For example, you might ask it to make the text shorter, expand on an idea, improve readability, or change the tone to sound more professional or more casual. Try to be clear and specific with your prompt, because the better your instruction is, the more useful the output will be. After that, review the suggestions generated by Copilot on your screen. Take a moment to read through the rewritten version carefully. Look for whether it captures your meaning, fits the style of your document, and sounds natural. This step matters because AI-generated text can be helpful, but it still needs a human check to make sure it says exactly what you intend. If you like the result, click Keep to add the new text to your document. If it's not quite right, click Discard and try a different prompt. Sometimes a small change in wording can lead to a much better result, so don't be afraid to experiment a little. Finally, edit the text manually to make sure it matches your personal voice. This last step helps your writing still feel like your own, even after using AI assistance. Think of Copilot as a drafting partner, not a final decision maker. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.